Hey, so in this ZBrush video, let's take a look at what does it take to use the insert IMM brush and create something like this very quickly. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Lightbox and let's reset my scene. So I'm going to choose this dice primitive, so I'm going to double click on it, say no. Alright, so I have something like this. Now the trick that I wanted to do is if I go into my brush, press I and go to the IMM gun brush and then press M, stands for multiple. You can see all the shapes that are available to you inside this IMM gun brush, right? So let's say I want to use this cone and I want to insert this cone inside on I want to insert it into every single side of this shape. So if I attempt to do that right now, you can see that it's doing one, but how do I do them all at the same time? So the trick to this is while the shape that you want to insert is selected, or the brush is selected, you could go to brush and then go to create, and down here there's something called create nano mesh brush. So I'm going to click on it, and as soon as I do, you can see that I was taken into Z modeler, right? So now if I press spacebar, I can see that Z modeler automatically set insert nano brush as my setting. And now if I choose polygroup all, right, I can insert this cone right here on every single side. But before I do need to make sure that all the polygroups share the same color, because right now polygroup all will not work because they're all different colors. So I need to press Control W to make sure that they this is just one polygroup. And now if I attempt to insert my cone, you can see that it's doing it on every single side. So a really cool trick to quickly insert meshes into multiple polygons of your shape. So this could become very handy. I hope you use it in your work, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.